Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and today we're going to be talking about the market pumping. Now, if you are catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. They're going to be pinned here on top of the chat on YouTube, right? So, how's it going, guys? Thank you all for joining me tonight for an awesome stream. It's going to be so much short. It's going to be so much short stream. I'm super busy with stuff, so jumping in real quick. Try to jump in on time and just going to talk about the markets, what we're pumping, etc. And then, see where things could go short term. So let's get to that screen where the magical stuff happens. Jeff Loomis, thank you for being here. Jake and Andrew, thank you guys for showing up here and chatting and letting me know you guys are here. So market cap, what's happening? We pumped, great. We had bullish divergence. We knew we could be going for a rally. We're struggling a bit. Managed to get above, right? Managed to get above the 1.75 trillion, the 1.75 trillion, but we're still struggling, right? We're still struggling to break back into this triangle. As you can see, we almost hit that area spot on, right? We hit that triangle almost spot on. We're rejecting getting back into it, right? So not good on that part. We can try to get back above it. We're also below the 20 moving average. We managed to close below the 20, so not good stuff, right? Bullish divergence playing us to the upside. Also, Fed, right, came out, said, yo, we're gonna raise interest rates 5%, or sorry, 0.5%. So on that note, markets perceived that some kind of weakness. And we saw the dollar drop a bit, and we saw a lot of assets started rally, right? The stocks went up, gold went up, oil went up, cryptos went up, right? So again, very, very nice moves here. 5.74% for the market right now. A little bit of indecision, 0.04% to the upside, but below the 20 and still rejecting this triangle. So we must get back into the triangle, right? Otherwise, rejection of this zone, not going to be good. Again, so if we can get back up there, we do have that bullishness on the technicals. That's the last thing we had here on the daily. Let's go check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin, 39,000. 39,640. Again, bullish divergence. Failed to drop lower than the previous low. We knew that was a possibility, and we know that when that happens, we tend to take action to the upside. So we did get above 38,314 and got above the 20. Barely above the 20 right now. Struggling, pumping 5.18% for Bitcoin. Very close to 40K. We did hit it, and we rejected it. We hit 40,050. We came back down from it, but still managed to close above that 20 moving average, which is good. Again, bullish divergence doing its job. Where are we at here? Man, did we get back into that structure? Yes, we did, right? So a fake breakout here. Now another fake breakout. We know we got on news. Above 39,650, close above that resistance. So it's all good. Back into channel. It's nice to see green. Yeah, I'm not sure how long it's going to be there for, man. And here, 39,000 right after finding support. So good stuff, right? We're above 39,291, above the 20. Should be aiming for 40,897. Hopefully, we can get there, right? We have the bullishness to help us carry through. Hopefully, the market can remain bullish. Yeah. Here on the 4-hour chart, right, we're talking about this as a potential double bottom. It is playing as a double bottom. We have broken that neckline, right? It's something that we discussed yesterday, I think. Yesterday, 2 days ago. Well, probably yesterday, though. And if we just measure move this right from here to here, we've come very, very close to hitting that target, right, on price. So I think we can actually say, if we zoom in here, that we've hit pattern completion, right? We hit pattern completion on that measure move. So we can say that that's done. Maybe we flag a little bit, try to pop up again. That'll be very nice, getting us to that 40K. We're trying to get above that 40K. Nothing here that is bearish, right? Not on the short-term move. On the larger move, right? The move from here. There are some bearish divergence hidden against the RSI, and that's about it, man. There's really not a lot happening right now. That's why we're starting to stagnate and flag. Nothing wrong with that move, right? Nothing wrong with that move. Flagging usually gets us to pop again, and then we'll see if we're gonna start developing some kind of bearish divergence strong or something like that. But for now, it's good. Got to cross the MACD over the signal line, like we said. That's stuff that we should be watching out for, right? Those crosses. Cross MACD signal line, they tend to bring bullishness, particularly if we're above that 200 moving average. We know on the daily we're not. We're below, so it's all good. Impulse up, consolidated a bit, pumped up again, consolidated a bit, right? So now on that flag that we're making right now, we could be looking for another movement up. Do we have anything here that is bearish? Yes, strong bearish divergence is starting to develop, but we know sometimes this shows up in 2s or 3s. And what do I mean by that? We might pump, create more strong bearish divergence, and then we might try to pump again, but we're gonna fail, right? So this is usually what we see happen, right? What do I mean by that? All right, pop, create bearish divergence, right? Then drop a bit, then try to pop. Maybe we fail, and then we just crash back down, right? So that's usually how this plays out. We're gonna see how strong that pump comes. I like this here, that this wick, man, came down, hit that 20 and bounced with a lot of strength. That's a very good move. A lot of volume on this candle, although it's tiny. And right now, volume's kind of dying out, tapering out for the night. Neutral, sorry, bought it, 67.51. That's about it, man. Bearish divergence present. We didn't have anything bullish on the 1 hour. We had bullishness on the 4 hour and on the daily, and I think that's what we're running on here. Double bottom forming. And on the daily, like we said, right? Bullish divergence strong. So let's go check out Ethereum. ETH on the daily, man, getting a pop, 2,940 right now. Got above 2,891, very much like that, above the 20 moving average. Still sucks is below the $3,000 mark, but I mean, it's a good pop. Nothing bearish happening. The last time we had bullishness and popping on that, neutral at 49.27. Right, 4 hour chart. Bullish divergence. We had some bearishness dropped on that. Nothing bullish here. We already established that. We said if Bitcoin pumps, we'll pump, and Bitcoin pump on the Fed news. So we know we're getting that pump right now, flagging just like Bitcoin. So nothing else happening here that is weird except are we creating the divergence that Bitcoin had? We don't have that hidden divergence that Bitcoin had. That's fairly good. All right, 1 hour chart, man, getting that pop, going higher and going higher here as well. So unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum doesn't have anything bearish. Right now it's flagging. Once it pops here, it's gonna develop some bearish divergence. So watch out for that. But again, Ethereum looking good. Nothing really much going on here on Ethereum. No other cool patterns, no double bottoms, nothing like that. Again, Bitcoin is driving the market, and I think that's what we've seen happening. All right, real quick, gonna go into ADA. ADA at 90 cents. All right, awesome, dude. On the daily. All right. Good, strong rally, man. Good, strong rally here at 16.60. Again, very nice action to upside, getting above that 20 moving average. Very much like that. Neutral at 51.03. 4 hour chart, man. 4 hour chart. Yo.
Luna, please, thank you.
Yo, thank you very much for that, man. Much appreciated, my friend. Yes, we'll do Luna right after ADA, my friend. Thank you very much for that. Calicrop Dog, how's it going, man? Again, very nice rally coming in. We had bearishness. We did drop on that bearishness. That is fine. Afterwards, we started to recover, managed to get above the 20. And again, pumping with the rest of the market. Nothing bearish happening here. Overbought at 47.42. And again, on the other side, we could still track some divergence. And that's the only thing that's going to play us here, right? That move that goes from here to here. And it's still coming from a high point here, I think, to a... are we going higher? Maybe we wouldn't even have it here. Yeah, we wouldn't even have it here. I'm just going to get the lead this for now. Nothing bearish in ADA. Again, it's all good. Let's keep rolling. Let's go to that 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, we had the bearishness. Drop with that, right? We started to rally. We were somewhere around here last night. Again, we're about to meet that 20. We met it, managed to get above it, and then rallied with the rest of the market. Very, very nice. Very bullish on ADA. We're bought at 84.10. Not a lot going on here that is bearish. And we shall see what else is going to happen with ADA. Again, we might consolidate a bit and then try to pop again. I think that's what's in store for us. Hopefully we can do that and not get a nasty reversal. So let's go check out Luna on that awesome kind donation from Buddy Double M. All right, Luna, 86.11. All right, on the 4 hour, on the daily. What did Luna have? We had some bullishness. We didn't create anything from here to here, which again, it's fine. We didn't have anything going on that was bullish afterwards, so we were holding and trying to pump still. Dude, on the larger moves, where are we at, man? Should we fib this? We should fib this. From high to low, from high to low. So I'm considering this to be the high and this is the low. So you can tell spot on hit of that 50%, rejected to that almost zero line. Right now struggling to get above that 236, right? So we must get above that 236 and also get above that 20 if we want to keep on climbing. Otherwise, rejection of this zone could lead us to where we drop back down to 77.69. Right now, looking for a break of 86.82 and then above there, 92.01. I think that's what's in store for us here. Also, potential double bottom pattern forming here, just like Bitcoin had. But we know double bottoms, we see them at the bottom of a downtrend. Here, we're not on a downtrend, right? We had a downwards motion, but this is an upsloping trend. But we're going to consider this short move here a potential double bottom. I'm not sure if it's going to play as a double bottom yet, but we're just going to look at it as if it was a sort of double bottom. And we're just going to have to keep on tracking and see how it goes. When do we know it's going to trigger? Once we break that 50% line, then we look for that nice recovery. It could lead us to $116.71. It's a very nice pattern that could start to form here on Luna. On the 4 hour, once we had this sort of falling pattern, we broke to the upside. Very nice. Probably hit a measure move of that. And how do we know that? Well, you know, it just goes from here to here. And, you know, just go where we broke. end the pattern, and then we broke somewhere on here. Yes, we hit a measure move, and then we started to retrace, right? So pattern completed, starting to drop lower. Man, did we create anything here that is bullish? I'm just gonna draw the line from now. I'm not gonna call anything. I just want to see where I'm matching stuff on the top. I just want to make sure I am touching the right points, right? So good stuff. Bullish divergence strong. Bullish divergence strong. Action to the upside. Got our pop. All right. Again, struggling with that 236. We want to get above it. Above the 20 moving average, which is fairly nice. And then here, again, we don't have anything against the RSI. And it's looking okay. Neutral at 54.50 again, running on bullish divergence. Very nice. Nothing bearish overhead. That's going to post a resistance for now, I think. Main point would be up here, and still high to low, so it's all good for now. 1 hour chart, man, bearish divergence, struggling to get that action to the upside, right? That's what we started to struggle at this here point because of this bearish divergence strong, right? Look at that. Put pressure on the price, making it drop. Where to? Well, we drop below 236, and now we're going for that 20. If we hold that 20, good chance we might try to bounce. Nothing bullish right back here. Nothing bullish back here on this bit. Way back here, we had some hidden bullish that kind of helped us rally. That move goes from here to here and from here to here. So again, bullish divergence popped. Now bearish divergence strong. It's trying to get that moving down. On this move, we didn't have bearish divergence, right? So this drop was unwarranted. There was no divergence for it. Right. That's it for Luna. Let's go do Ape. Man, thank you very much, Double M, for this kind request. Sorry if I'm rushing through stuff, guys. I did try to go a little bit more in detail here. There is a large support line by the well, so we could try to gauge that. We'll be going like this, maybe not that one. Large support line here, I think that we must and keep on holding, right? Something like that. And we could try to hold, and maybe even the one I drew initially from here to something like that, right? That we could be bouncing at. That's the kind of support. But good stuff. Again, we're in an upsloping channel on the 1 hour, and that's good so long as we stay within that channel. How do we know it's a down upsloping channel? Well, we just draw lines, and it'll tell us, right? So we have this going on here, and this going on here. And an upsloping channel of sorts. We could probably extend it all the way back here. And again, we are trading. Oh, snap, I moved it. We're trading in this upsloping channel. And again, we are bouncing also right now at that mid part of the channel, so that's pretty good support. And again, we should be trying to get above that 236, right? So that is it for Luna. Now I want to check Ape real quick, guys. Ape's probably gonna be the last coin I'm gonna do, not because I don't want to, but because I gotta get going. Like I said, it's gonna be a short stream tonight, and that's part of the reason that I'm also speaking a little bit faster than usual. It's I need to get going cool here soon. So we dropped to 100%, right, with hidden divergence, and we got our bounce. Awesome. Ape popping. Trying to get above the 20, but failed. Very nice rally here, 9.98%. Very good. I would take a 10% trade any day. Just I didn't take this one because I wasn't paying attention to it. But man, 10%. You could have done almost 20 here by the time that pop ended. And we just measure real quick to see if it was going to be a 10 or 20. Yeah, on 23%. Very nice, man, for day gains. Considering the status of the market. So again, try to rally, failed to get above that 618, could still climb because we have this hidden divergence coming in. 4 hour chart for Ape, bullish divergence to here, try to rally, failed, still held support, and as we said, right, and like I said, I think when we did that stream, we could drop here and still track that divergence, right, and we still, look, as you can tell, have that bullish divergence trying to rally on that. Very nice, strong rejection of that 618. You can see that we rejected it once but twice, and failed to get above that target. So hopefully we can get above there. There is hidden divergence on the 4 hour coming in and putting pressure at a key resistance area, right? That 16180 is a key important area that we must get above. That's why it's there, charted, and I have it on my charts. Important that we get above resistances, right? We don't have it against the RSI, it's just against the MACD. So hidden divergence, put pressure, making us move down. Here, higher, more positive momentum, and higher still. Short move, high to low, positive is positive, and high to low. So nothing here that is bearish. Here on the move, again, nothing bullish. So here, we are running on whatever fuel we have from the move here, right? That move goes from here to here, and it goes from here to here. So bullish divergence strong. Action to the upside. We started rally again. Bad retrace, probably on the hidden divergence that we had on the 4 hour, right? That was putting pressure on that price. Getting that drop, and then try to pump again. I think that's what we're seeing there to some extent. And neutral at 54.02 on the other side. That means, you know, the market price perceived as regular. Again, this considers the last 14 periods. And if we are to, you know, take an average of here to here, 14 periods would be up to here. So all things considered, if you consider all this, price is more or less at a standstill from when it dropped to here. So that's why our sides on the neutral very close to that 50, right? Because considering the last 14 periods, that's what it considers. So with that into account, guys, I think that's gonna be it for tonight. Sorry that I had to keep it short. I really wish I could have kept the stream going longer. There's stuff I need to finish for the day job. Thank you very much for watching. Again, if you enjoyed the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. We're live every night, guys. You can join us. You can ask your questions. I'll try to answer them. Today we answer questions, you know, things like that. So if you have questions, we'll answer them. Yesterday someone asked about the Fed, and I said if they hike rates, you know, yeah, we could see an impact of price action to the upside if they drop rates, you know. We can see more droppage happening. And again, just real quick to show, right? XAU, to look at gold. XAU USD, here we go. Oh, USD, here we go. All right, gold wasn't a rally, and it's on a nice rally, right? So again, look, rallying yesterday, rallying today. Look at oil, right? Oil, rallying yesterday, rallying today. We're at 108. Dow, right? DJI. Dow, DJI at 34,061, right? Again, look at that nice rally, 2.81%. It looks massive, but, you know, all things considered, on the Dow, 2.81 is a fairly nice rally to have. Guys, again, everything rallied because the Fed hiked rates. That's it. That's the reason. I mean, we could have had bullish divergence like we did in crypto, but part of the reason that we rallied is because we had that catalyst that helped, you know, pump the rest of the assets. Guys, like I said, that's going to have to be it for tonight. Rishi, dude, sorry that I could not look at your coin. We're going to look at it tomorrow. I mean, I'm pressed for time, and I've taken that request from the people that are usually here every day looking at the stream or watching the stream. On that note, I'm going to have to call it for tonight. Again, remember that all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Talk about crypto to your friends, your family, your coworkers. Let them know that this channel is here. Please let them know that this channel is here. Elon says, no, just go here. Go where? Go where? Dude, I gotta go, man. I have to finish work. I'm overloaded tonight. I'm sorry. It's been a couple of heavy days, man. And tonight is one of those days that I have to, unfortunately, call the stream early. Thank you very much for being here, dudes. Fax, Elon, you know, War. Who else was in here? Andrew, Calicrop, Doc, Jeff Loomis, Carthago. Jake, you know, if I miss you, sorry. Rishi, dude, whoever's here, everyone that came in, thank you all for being here. You just got here. I'm sorry, my friend. I'm sorry. I really wish I could stay longer, but I can't tonight. Tomorrow is gonna be Thursday. I might be able to stay a little bit longer. Might even have a brew with you guys, or have a brewski. So it might be a beer day. But for now, I just need to finish a lot of stuff. I have presentations tomorrow. I also have a couple meetings early in the morning, and there's stuff I need to finish. Planning for those meetings, again, very important stuff I got to do and finish for the day stuff, and unfortunately I just cannot stay longer. But thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.